Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Well Learned Mathematics. We are going to learn about points in 3 dimension. Centroid of geometric figure. The term centroid is the center point of an object. This is also known as geometric center of an object. Geometric center of an object, or this is center of gravity, center of gravity of an object, center of gravity of an object, or the barycenter of an object, barycenter of an object, barycenter of an object. All of these terms are the same, and we're going to learn how can we find the center point of an object. If you are new to this channel, you can subscribe and open notification bell so that you will be notified for the next video. Let's start this course. Centroid of a geometric figure. We have definition. Let x1, y1, and z1, x2, y2, and z2 up to xn, yn, and zn be endpoints of space. Then the centroid is given by the formula. The formula is x1 plus x2 plus up to xn divided by n, y1 plus y2 plus up to yn divided by n, and z1 plus z2 plus up to zn divided by n. If n equals 3, this is a triangle because triangle has 3 vertices. And the formula will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 over 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 over 3, and z1 plus z2 plus z3 over 3. If n equals 4, the geometric figure is a quadrilateral. This has 4 vertices and 4 sides. Take, for example, a square. Here, this formula will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 over 4, y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 over 4, and z1 plus z2 plus z3 plus z4 over 4. And this point will be the centroid of the square. So generally, when we have the points, say x1, y1, and z1, x2, y2, and z2, up to xn, yn, and zn, then the centroid is calculated by this formula. First of all, we identify the value of n, right? After getting the value of n, we identify x1, y1, and z1, x2, y2, and z2, up to xn, yn, and zn. After getting these values, you replace in this formula and you get the solution. Let's see an example. This one. Determine the coordinates of x, centroid of triangle, width from the points 1, 4, and 2, minus 1, minus 3, 4, and 3, 5, 6. Here, we have 3 points, so n equals 3. The first point indicates x1, y1, z1. The second point shows x2, y2, and z2, and third point indicates x3, y3, and z3. As you can see, x1 equals 1, y1 equals 4, and z1 equals 2. Then, from this point, x2 equals minus 1, y2 equals minus 3, and z2 equals 4. Then, from this point, you can see x3 equals 3, y3 equals 5, and z3 equals 6. Then, we have the formula. The coordinates of x are given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 over 3. It's because n equals 3. Then y1 plus y2 plus y3 over 3. And z1 plus z2 plus z3 over 3. So x is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 over 3. As you can see, x1 equals 1, x2 equals minus 1, and x3 equals 3. We take 1 plus minus 1 plus 3. This is equal to 3, and 3 over 3 equals 1. We have 1. Then y1 plus y2 plus y3 over 3. y1 equals 4, y2 equals minus 3, and y3 equals 5. And this is 4 plus minus 3 plus 5. This is equal to 6, and 6 over 3 equals 2. Then z1 plus z2 plus z3 over 3. Here we take 2 plus 4 plus 6, and this is equal to 12. Now 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Hence, the centroid of this triangle is the point 1, 2, 4. This one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.